You can come in with a piece of paper and a prototype and come away with a way that you can manufacture millions of products. It's a really fantastic opportunity to get face-to-face time with people looking for solutions and people that can offer those solutions.
Attendees can learn so much about what some of the trends are that are happening in packaging right now. Also from the educational programs that we've set up.
It's important that we find the thought leaders that are in the industry who can talk about what's happening, what's new, and bring new ideas and information to our audience.
I really walked away with an understanding of how they design and develop. It's a really good mix of manufacturing, some specific parts you need to design, and it's just a great place to be. It's like a kid in a candy store.
People can come here, they can look at the machinery, they can get a feel, we can talk about their needs. We also find that some of the common suppliers that are here are useful for us as well.
Every region we go to, we invite our existing customers. They come and see, we showcase new products. And at the same time, we come here to learn about other companies.
There's not an event like it that actually matches people so well across all the spectrum of manufacturing. You will find who you're looking for and you'll find who you didn't think you needed, but you do.
It's an incredible experience. I can't wait to come again.